I finally built the SAS kit. Now, the only thing I didn't have in here, see? Okay, for the fuel, I will tell you right now, I did cotton ball and petroleum jelly because it's easier for me. Okay, let's see. Marker panel, uh, I have a flashlight that so it's good. I also have my supplemental kit. Okay. That has a signal mirror. So that should do it. Plus I have some tinfoil I can use for that too. I have the matches. I couldn't find the survival log that I have. But you know, it's whatever, right? That's all you have to anyway. I also did not have the flares. I don't have the flares because honestly, I don't know if I'm gonna try to find the flares though. Okay. So the food, I should actually show you what's in it. Actually, blue kit. I didn't have any tea at the time. Let's do this. It's all housed here, so it's gonna be easy to do. Now, since I had, you know, I have two of these energy bar things. Two raspberry, two lemon. Okay. I chose this as the, oh god, the polypropylene bag or whatever. Because I knew this was actually, I know, okay, by the way, that ding was like, oh, your blah 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 is full. I chose this because, well, I couldn't find my bivy bag, but I know this is actually reusable. Here's the thing with the matches in it. Yeah. Honestly, I have more than enough ways to make fires, so, you know. And, as I said, don't be a sucker and buy the pre-made tinder. Make your own. Cotton ball and petroleum jelly. Okay. Let's put this back to where everything is. Okay, this is right here. So I can put that right there. That right here. Two right here. And two right here, I believe. Yep. Looks like those well. Also, as you see, it fits into that, which is nice. Which means I can just do that. Do that. Bam. So now I have the personal solo kit and the SAS solo kit. Also, I've been playing Fallout New Vegas a lot. Okay. And I was thinking, if I was in that universe, what would I make for a kit? First and foremost, I thought one of these. Okay. You don't see it now, but my Steam like chat thing is like right there. Anyway, this is obviously the obvious decision because you're gonna have to have like thinking. Oh, also for the stove part. Oh my god, why is everything just popping up? I'm doing the hobo stove instead of the folding stove because, and I got 2 more isopropyl alcohols, 7%. So this is an emergency core kit, or emergency core heater. That I decided, hey, why not? You know, this is a stove, right? A stove needs a burner, right? So yeah. Don't worry, I'm the first I'm getting a haircut. This is like the easiest thing you could possibly freaking do, okay? By the way, I finally figured out how to put the thing back on. Anyway, all you need, if you have something like, if you have this, which is the, I forgot what it's the IKEA thing, but I can't think of, it's the one IKEA, like, big one like this, the 7-inch one, I believe. Yeah, 7-inch, because this is 7-inch. Because these are 7-inch. By the way, I think like 40-something cents each. Bam. Why not, right? Now, I'm not gonna cut, because why not? Right? Anyway, for this, honestly, the 16-ounce stainless steel insulated food jar for mainstays works perfectly. All you gotta do is, honestly, let me tell you, this is actually a cheap little 4 for 68 cent toilet paper. All you gotta do, take the toilet paper cardboard out, put the toilet paper in here. You know, I've already filled it up, but just fill it up with the isopropyl alcohol. I think until you have like that much, you see, that's what I do and it works for me. So, MD Prepper has a video on that. Look that up. Okay, then, and all you gotta do is this: just drop the lid, and bam, right? So yeah, obviously with the, you know, well, that's another video. I'll do another video. Yeah. But yeah, I'm going to be using this and maybe this with the SAS kit. So yeah, I swear to God, the video stump inspired me to do the hobo stove, and MD Prepper inspired me to do the emergency core heater. So yeah. Anyway, I will be getting tea or what have you. I'm not really a hot tea drinking person, honestly. But yeah, at least I have some food, fuel, and all that. As you see, is the SAS Origin Survival Kit, or the SOL Origin Survival Kit. As you can see, SOL. That is the striker. You know, and plus, I can carry extra cotton balls. And by the way, seriously, make sure it's the store brand, because you're gonna get 100, opposed to like 80. And I can carry some petroleum jelly with me, like in one of my side pockets of the book bag I'm gonna be using. So I'm able to make, you know, out in the field, I'm gonna have what I need to make tinder if I run out. So and if you want, and the person who inspired me to do the petroleum jelly and cotton balls was Sensible Pepper. Those 3 you gotta check out, definitely. So anyway, that is, I just want to have a video for my survival channel. Yeah, this is actually I think a repro from Miltech from England. This thing took forever to get here. Okay, I've had this since January. I ordered it sometime last year, and it came like January, February, or whatever. But you know, I will be putting my own little, if I can find it, I might be putting a multi-spork or multi-tool spork in it. Don't you hate when everything is pops up when you're trying to do a video. Yeah, anyway. Also, oh, I found, okay, here's the story. I bought another one of these, because I thought I lost this one. This one has a crank light, and one of those tactical flashlights that actually... So I ended up buying another one, as I said in the video, of both. But that's okay, because I have spare. So yeah, anyway, if you like this, thumbs up, subscribe, comment, share, hit the notification button, definitely. Anyway, it's been JYK's Survival, out.